Okay, so the sole purpose of this project that I have been doing, it is actually a very common project everybody is doing, I guess. And ignore my voice because I am having fever. So I'm speaking on the top of my finger. So it would sound a little bit of weird, and I would also be not able to pronounce all the words properly because of my sore throat that I'm having. So coming back to this app, this is a very common app that everybody is building, but uh, it's not. I didn't want to reinvent any kind of wheels over here, so I just wanted to add skills to my resume. So that's why I chose to build this one. So this is a chatbot I have named it as Tulip. Uh, it has got a couple of features. It will accept PDFs. It will accept Excel sheets. It will uh, do the web search, and I have not implemented the authentication and authorization. After that, these two buttons of view history and reset history would become functional. uh, so here in this session, what we are going to do, what I am going to do is I'm going to upload a Excel sheet and ask questions on the Excel sheet. So it is going to answer, uh, it is going to take that particular Excel sheet as the context, and is going to return the answer. So I'll just do it alongside of that. I'll just explain. So this is the user. I'll upload a file. Let me upload a Excel file. I've got this transaction data as the Excel file. So I'm going to upload this one. So it got uploaded. Then uh, for clarity's sake, I'm going to show you what is there inside the file. Let me go to the download folder, open this up. This is the CSV file, basically. So it has got some couple of transactions and product. So I'll ask which product is having higher revenue. So if what it'll do, it will multiply this price per unit per quantity and tell us which one is the highest one. So ideally speaking, this will be 20,000, this will be 80,000, this will be 12,000, this will be 55,000. Sorry, 5,000, this will be 30,000, this will be 55,000 if we multiply this thing. So we should be getting laptop as the uh, answer. So let's verify. So I'll write the question over here. And I will ask you it actually. So yeah, it gave the answer. It gave laptop as the answer, and also the sources it has cited as user uploaded data, the data that I have uploaded. So first, what it was doing, the logic has been written like that. It will first search in the web. If he does not, if there is a CSV data, then it will show the CSV data for specificity. So the first half is like from the wave. What iPhone is the highest revenue? Okay, so that is from the wave. Uh, and then it is the data that we uploaded. It is basically if I go to this route, this is the hybrid rag. If I go to the route itself, I'm doing a couple of things. So this is my LLM model. I have used Llama model, okay, and Grok's Llama model. I have used Grok API, okay, and as usual, uh, this is the Google. This model is calling the Google Search API wrapper. So this is all about Google and the LLM model that I've used. So coming to the uh, query itself. So first of all, it get the query from the chat history because I'm saving that in the chat history while I'm uploading it. If the context matches, it also gets if the matches, it stores that into a history context. Okay, and then it goes to the PDF. Uh, this vector store, I have used this vector store, which is the Chroma store itself. So all these things are getting stored when I'm uploading certain things. So this vector stores is for this application's own knowledge base, not the web search. So anything, the PDFs, any other call to the external application source will be handled. Uh, it's as its own knowledge base. So PDF's vector search is the next one. Then web search is the next that is chronologically happening over here. Then it is parsing the CSV and JSON file. Okay, and then it is merging all the context that we see down in the UI, and then we are prompting using prompt engineering to uh, send some prompts to give us the results, and then we are invoking the result, and then we are formatting. That's all. Saving the chat interaction also, so that it will, whenever the next chat will come, it will load up. So now if I go and want to know the least, which product is giving us the least revenue. Okay, it got the least revenue. No, it has not. Pen drive 2000. It is the least revenue. So it is actually retrieving. It is, and I have also used the PySpark data engine in this, so as it will take the response from the LLM. The query will be executed, the SQL will be executed by the LLM on the data uh, database, which is Redis and vector store, and then it will do some cleaning, and then the Spark will execute the SQL query and give the Panda result, and then it will be formatted. So I have used a Spark session in it, and as usual, the lang chain which connects all the tool, which does the orchestrations, and then the LLM model is Chat, OpenAI, Google Search, Hugging Face embeddings. It's like the tokens that has been produced. So that thing, Redis I'm using for caching the responses and chat history, and there are two routes for ingesting and querying. Uh, I think that is it as of now. So lots of things I actually got to know today about this thing, which can be added to my resume as a knowledge. Uh, like I do have knowledge in this, so I can go ahead with this. So this is what I am up to today. Thank you.